Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can block someone on Roblox in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your Roblox account on PC or laptop. And what you want to do next, guys, is you may, for example, go to your friends list and block someone from there if it's a friend. So to do that, click into more here, navigate to friends, and then select the given friend. If you don't have anyone, guys, in your friends list, or if you'd like to look for a specific user, you can do the following. Click into add friends here, use the search bar at the top and type in the username. So I'll go with this example user here, and then click into the given profile. And if you have found the given user, click into these three dots here, select block, confirm whether you would like to block or block and report. And then the given user won't be able to send you any messages anymore, send you invitations to the friend list, and so on and so forth. So that's how you block someone on Roblox in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.